Are you looking for the best garden tools in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best garden tools that are available on the market. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Fiskars Bypass Lopper. The Fiskars Bypass Lopper is a great garden tool for spaces with a lot of foliage. This is a sharp and smooth garden tool that can effortlessly cut through tree branches. This makes it easy to clear your space and keep everything tidy. This garden tool is comfortable to use as it has long and padded handles. This garden tool has a fully hardened precise blade that stays sharp, making this a long-lasting investment. This lopper is low friction, which keeps it in good condition even with repeated use, and it has non-slip grips that make it secure when in use. This garden tool lopper is durable and has a smooth, sharp blade that can cut through branches effortlessly. Moving on at number 4. We have the Xjyamus waterproof garden claw gloves. This garden tool is gardening gloves with a twist. As well as working to protect your hands from thorns, mud and other damage in the garden, these gardening gloves also have durable claws built in. These claws make it easy to dig into the ground and give you a better grip on your plants. This garden tool is waterproof and punctures resistant as it uses a natural latex covering. This garden tool is easy to clean and will prevent you from breaking your nails or damaging the skin. These gloves are flexible, lightweight, and comfortable for a range of different people. These garden gloves are flexible and durable, offering you a great grip while protecting your hands. At number 3, we have the Fiskars Steel Bypass Pruning Shears. The Fiskars Steel Bypass Pruning Shears is a reliable garden tool that is very precise. It has hard, durable, and precision ground steel blades that stay sharp for longer. This makes this pruning garden tool a great investment that you can use repeatedly. This garden tool is also low friction and rust resistant. This garden tool is comfortable to hold and easy to control as it has non-slip grips on the handles. These pruning shears cut smoothly and easily, ensuring that you will not damage your wrists or fingers when gardening. It is very durable and will last a long time. This garden tool is durable, long-lasting, and comfortable to hold, making shearing easy once more. At number 2, we have the Gorilla Cart's heavy-duty garden cart. This garden tool is a heavy-duty garden cart that can be used around the garden to transport heavier items from one location to the next. This garden cart is easy to assemble and has a quick-release dumping system that can be used to push mud, dirt, or compost into your garden. This garden tool is very maneuverable and offers excellent traction on all surfaces. This garden tool has a convertible handle that makes it simple to switch from towing the cart behind or pushing it forward. This garden cart is ideal for a range of outdoor landscapes and has a large capacity. This garden cart is an excellent tool for the garden as it is heavy-duty, versatile, and easily maneuvered around the space. And finally at number 1. We have the Fiskars 4-Claw Weeder. This is a stand-up weeder that can be used to permanently remove persistent plants and weeds from your groomed garden. This is a great garden tool for a variety of different people as it prevents knee pain, back pain, and general discomfort when weeding and keeping your garden neat. This garden tool has stainless steel claws that grab to weeds and make them easy to pull out. This garden tool has an offset hand control that prevents damage in the wrists when removing weeds. There is a viewing window in the pedal that allows you to see what you're doing and be accurate in the garden. This garden tool is durable and precise, allowing you to remove your weeds without damaging your body or garden. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe.